or because I just went straight across, or you can go like this. Whoops, it's hard to do it standing up. Or you can go like this. Whoops, a little sloppy because it's hard to hold on to it. And then you can just do the straight across. So when I have it flat, it's not coming out, it's wiggly. And then if you want, you can color this in. If you want, or you could just leave it black and white. Since I did that a little sloppy, I'm going to color it in. Because I'm working with it, holding it in my hand. And it's flopping around a little bit. So that's if I want it in black and white. Okay. So I did the sides like that, okay? And maybe I want these lines are going in a different direction. And you know how to do this because we've worked with your names. Do you remember? And we picked numbers. I'm trying to keep this simple for you so you have fun doing this. Okay. So here I did it in color. Now what you can use is two other colors. I used the red and the blue around the black stars. And then I added it to my frame. I didn't do it all because I just wanted to show you the difference. So you can just do it in black and white, or you could just do it in lines. And when your paper's lying flat, it'll be really easy for you to do. So let's start with, I'm going to add a star, and then I'm going to show you how I went around the star. So I will put in a star. Here's my triangle. I will put the line across it. I will connect that to the other line. I will connect that to the other line. So here I have another star. So I want you to fill your paper. I can probably fit 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 more stars. So I'm going to color that star in black. I'm using a Sharpie, but you can use your Crayolas, markers. Or whatever kind of marker you have. And if you don't, as I said before, you can use colored pencils, so you have some color, and you can actually see the black. Now, what I did with the blue and red lines, all you have to do is follow the shape of the star. So I will show you how to do that. And you just have to follow the shape of that. You just have to follow the shape of the star. So how you do that is you go around, follow the shape of that star. Do you see what I'm doing? Follow the shape. Just make it a little wider and follow the shape of the star. So let me do this laying flat down because I'm on a big computer, so I can't really move it around. And I did one line. And you see what I did? I just followed the shape of the star. Then I take my other color, because I'm working in red and blue, and I start it again. And that will probably go up to there. You see what I'm doing? And I just follow that same shape all around. And this turns it into a really pretty pattern. You will have fun doing this. It's simple. You shouldn't have a problem with this. And I followed the shape of the star. And now I continue this shape. Sorry, my computer went out. Now I continue this shape. So I work with the red. So you see what I do here? I just follow that shape. I just follow that shape of the star. Now you might want to stop there because you're going to have other stars there. And so you might want to just put your stars in first. Okay, here where I have this opening, I will just put stripes in there and still follow that shape. So the next line would be red. And then the next line would be blue. That would be in here. So now what do? We get another star. I would suggest that you do all the stars first before you do the outline. So here we go. I will do it. I do the V or the triangle like that. I connect it to the other bottom part. I do the same here like that. I'm going to do another one right underneath it like that. I'll do my line across. I'll connect it. What else? Maybe I'll do a little one right here. And do a little V. I'll do my line. I'll connect it. So now I've just added 3 more stars. So on this paper, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 8 stars. It depends how big and how small you make your stars. So I'm going to color this little one on the bottom, and I did a black. You can use a sloppy copy now when you're doing this, and then just perfect your work. Take a little note like how you do it, and if you're doing a sloppy copy, you'll know what to do. So, whoops, I made this a little too long. But here we go. Here's another star. So you have to color these 2 in still. But this is how we progress with our design. So now I'm going to follow that shape again. So I take one of my colors, then you keep changing the color tone. And I go like this, I follow that, I go like this, I go like this. Oops, I went too close, my paper moved. So I'm actually going to color it in like a bubble letter because my paper moved. So because I made this little mistake here, I'm going to color it in like that. And you can do that too. That looks pretty good. I kind of like that too if you want to do it that way. You have a choice now. Everyone has a choice of what they want to do. You can work it however you like. Or however you're having fun. Have fun with this, boys and girls. It's fun. And we color that in because I made a mistake instead of just the lines. But that's up to you how you work it. And you know in art, if you do something wrong, you don't need to run for the eraser. Turn it into something else. That's the great part about art. Because if you make a little mistake, you kind of go, oh, maybe I like it like this. So now we're going to follow that line once again. And here I'm doing it. So as you can see, I'm doing it.